guys, welcome to ET's Indian channel, and today we are going to unbox a delicious treat box. This is from our friends at trytreats.com. It's a subscription treat box company. So every month you receive a box of treats. It could be from different countries in the world, so it's like eating international treats all the time. So if you cannot travel to these exotic places like Thailand, Greece, European countries, Mediterranean countries, Middle Eastern countries, you can actually enjoy treats from these countries. Every month is going to be a surprise. You can get a 3-month subscription, you can take 6 months or yearly subscription, and the box is cheap. It's like $10-15 for a box, and they ship internationally. So no matter where you are in the world, you can get one of these treat boxes. Explore the world through food. Yes, I am ready to explore the world through food, and because Valentine's is just around the corner, I think this would make a great Valentine's Day gift for foodie in your life. So if you have friends, family, sweetheart who loves food, why not give them this treat box instead of giving them chocolates or flowers? I know those things are good, but nothing beats like a surprise gift every month of different exotic treats. Are you ready to have a closer look, guys? It comes in this nice little box, trytreats.com, and we open the box. Explore Thailand. It has a little postcard. It's a beautiful temple with the dragons outside. It has a little information about these treats, where they are from. There's also information about Thailand. Explore Thailand with treats, and also a Thai recipe. That is amazing. I will try that. Explore Thailand. And also here is the list of all the treats we've gotten. So there is fruit flavored candies, there's cappuccino candy, chocolate cake, seaweed roll, custard cake. Oh my god, this is so delicious. There's squid seafood snack by Bento. There is strawberry pokey, roasted seaweed, and also they have a mystery box giveaway, so information about that contest going on. But let's have a look at the treats here. Okay, so this is our chocolate flavored cake with white cream. I should probably eat that before the kids get home. And here I have Euro cake. This is so fantastic. A great way to explore and discover different countries of the world. Sweet and spicy squid seafood snack. Now I don't eat meat, but I'm sure my kids are gonna enjoy that. So when my kids come, they will do a little taste test of this one. That's a giant sheet of seaweed. That's a healthy little snack. That's a good treat. So that's the best thing, like you'd never know what you will get in this treat box. Ooh, mango and lychee fruit flavored candies. Yum. And then I have here Euro cake. Oh, that's a great snack with my cup of tea. What else do I have here? Here I have another prawn crackers, I believe. So all the information is on the back. Great way to discover different countries, know about their culture, what kind of snacks are prevalent there. I am looking forward to trying some of these out. This is roasted seaweed, and this one is oil free. Wow. So one little box. Ooh, coffee shot cappuccino. Ooh. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty amazing. And all my friends, all my subscribers, you can get discount. The coupon code is in the description below, so nothing to lose. It's win-win. You get discount, you get treats. It's a great gift every month that you get in your mailbox. So go ahead, check out trytreats.com. I think I'm in a mood for chocolate flavored cake. I'm gonna have a quick look. Yeah, no meat. It has eggs, but I'm okay eating eggs. I don't eat meat. Some of these things have like squid and stuff, so I'll let my kids try that. But I'm going to open this My mouth is watering. This is going to be delicious. I've never had this Euro Elf's brand, I think it is. Elf's brand layered chocolate flavored cake. It's so soft, delicious. Oh, my kids love these pokey sticks. We've had this before and they're pretty good. What else do you think I should try? This is perfect. It's so delicious. Alright. I think I'm gonna try this oil-free sticks. Oil-free. I think they might be baked if they're saying oil-free. It's seaweed, sugar, salt and pepper. Alright. Triple O sticks. Have you had them before? What do you think? Are they going to be good? Let's check out. I love these Thai treats. So I'm guessing that cakes and seaweeds like seafood based treats are pretty popular in Thailand. And the good thing is that you have this little Thai fact. It's almost sweet, savory sort of. Good little snack when the hunger strikes and you want something healthy. So every box has 10 to 15 different treats. You can get a standard box, you can get a premium box. You get information about the country you're exploring, you get a little nice recipe. This is so cool. So all the information in this month's box, you will find a wide variety of snacks including both sweet and savory snacks to satisfy your cravings. For instance, there are 3 different cakes in your box this month and all of them come individually wrapped, making them perfect treats to take and enjoy on the go. You will also find other geographically popular variety of treats such as crispy roasted seaweed, a Thai favorite, and poke and prawn crackers, which are some of the most popular snacks in Asia. We are delighted for you to experience these treats from Thailand, and as always, we hope you enjoy. Jin Hai Roy. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I hope I do. Bon appetit from Treats team. How cool is that? Alright, while I go and dig on some of these other treats, you go check out trytreats.com, my friends, and as usual, subscribe to Eat East Indian channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, because I'll always bring some interesting food, delicious tasty treats for you, some recipes you can try at home, some snacks you can take for potlucks. So lots of options. EatEastIndian.com is the channel. I hope you subscribe, and if you like this idea, maybe share it with friends and family. Maybe your sweetheart will give you this treat box as a gift this Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I will see you soon, so keep watching Eat East Indian. Are you having the cake?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's tasty?
Yeah.
Can we share?
Yes. Mom.
Yeah.
You want some?
Sure.
Come.
That's good. Do you like it?
It has frosting.
It has something inside, almost like a custard. Oh, it is a custard cake, I think. Oh yeah, it's a custard cake. Let's try the custard part.
What is taste like even?
That's a yummy treat.
What is this?
It's a cracker. Try it and tell me how it tastes.
Wait. Good.
It's a different taste, right? You've never had that before? So what does it taste like?
It tastes like shrimp.
Do you like it?
Yeah, you know that I smelled shrimp when I popped it and it just came in some shrimp blow came in my face.
It's nice and crunchy.
Yeah. Are there treats in here?
Yeah, have a look.
Oh my goodness! Look how many treats there are in here. Wow, so many treats. Let's pick out this. Ooh, these big. I haven't tried Monday. And you want to try one? Yeah. Yes. Pick a flavor. There's strawberry, this one, or grape. There's strawberry, mango, or mango. Okay, mango too. Is this mango? Yeah.
This one.
So yeah, we're gonna try these and see what they taste like. Oh my god.
This is soft chewy candy, right?
Really hard to bite. It's
So you just suck on it. It's like a sucker.
like a hopper. Really good.
But what's the flavor?
There's lychee and this other thing.
What's the one in your mouth?
Mango. And mango. So let's see what it tastes like. There's
The
chocolate
cake.
inside. Oh my gosh, so good. And this kind of Chinese candy. Let's try this. Let's see what it tastes like. Smells
Like a seaweed.
yeah, it smells like a seaweed.
You've never had that before.
No. Ooh, it's spicy. Yeah, it's spicy.
Maybe leave that for daddy.
Yeah, I'm not eating this. Spicy.
Oh, you want to try?
Like as soon as it touches your mouth, it's spicy. As soon.
There you go. What do you guys think? I think that's a great Valentine's Day gift. Subscription box of different treats. Foodies in your life are going to be so happy with this amazing Valentine's Day gift.